Hi students, welcome back to my channel Get in Bio World. So guys, our today's topic is human circulatory system. Human circulatory system also called as blood vascular system. इसका एक another name है is blood vascular system. Consists of a muscular chambered heart, a network of closed branching blood vessels and blood, the fluid which is circulated. Abhi human circulatory system is also called as the blood vascular system, and this blood vascular system consists of the muscular chambered heart का कैसे होता है चैम्बर होता है and it is muscular, and this muscular chambered heart is formed from the network of close branching blood vessels, means complete heart blood vessels and blood and the fluid which is circulated, completely circulated होता है blood and fluid from the blood vessels. So, heart is the mesodermally derived organ, is situated in the thoracic cavity. Heart is the mesodermally derived organ, means heart is derived from the mesodermal part of the embryo. That's why it is mesodermally derived organ, and it is situated in the thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity में situated होता है between the two lungs, slightly tilted to the left side. और किधर साइड होता है सरका हुआ, ये दो lungs के लेफ्ट साइड में सरका हुआ होता है. सो इट हैज़ द साइज़ ऑफ क्लेंच्ड फिस्ट. साइज़ कैसा होता है क्लेंच्ड फिस्ट मतलब मुट्ठी जितना होता है. इट इज़ प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द डबल वॉल मेम्ब्रेनस बैग पेरिकार्डियम. और हार्ट इस डबल मेम्ब्रेन वॉल से प्रोटेक्टेड होता है विच इज़ कॉल्ड पेरिकार्डियम, एनक्लोजिंग द पेरिकार्डियल फ्लूइड, एंड इन दिस पेरिकार्डियम पेरिकार्डियल फ्लूइड इज फिल्ड. आवर हार्ट हैज़ अ फोर्थ चैम्बर, टू रिलेटिवली स्मॉल अपर चैम्बर कॉल्ड एट्रिया. अपर साइड के दो चैम्बर होते हैं इज कॉल्ड एज द एट्रिया, एंड द टू लार्जर लोअर चैम्बर इज कॉल्ड एज द वेंट्रिकल. टोटल 4 चैम्बर्ड हार्ट इज मेड अप ऑफ 4 चैम्बर, एंड अपर लोअर size chamber is called atria, and the two larger size chamber is called as the ventricle. A thin muscular wall called the interatrial septum. Thin muscular wall is present, it is called interatrial septum, separate the right and the left atria. These are the two atria, and these two atria are separated by the interatrial septum, whereas thick wall interventricular septum separates the left and the right ventricle. अपर साइड में दो एट्रिया होते हैं लेफ्ट एंड राइट. इट इज सेपरेटेड बाय द थिन लेयर ऑफ द इंटर atrial septum, and the two ventricle side left and the right it is separated by the interventricular septum which separate the left and the right ventricles. Understand all of you? दोनों भी लेफ्ट एंड राइट कैसे सेपरेट होते हैं, एक सेप्टम से सेपरेट होते हैं विच इज़ कॉल्ड दी interventricular septum. The atrium and the ventricular on the same side is also separated by the thick fibrous tissue which is called as the atrioventricular septum. Means same side of this chamber, means left atrium and the left ventricle, it is separated by the also a septa which is called as the atrioventricular septum. Now however, each of these septa are provided with the opening through which two chambers of the same sides are connected, and this same side connected by the one opening which is present in the septa. This septa is connected the two sides, and in between the septa one opening is present, and this one opening of the septa which connected the same side of the two chambers. Now the opening between the right atrium and the right ventricle is guarded by the wall formed the 3 muscular flaps or cups, and this wall name as the tricuspid wall. इस वॉल को नाम क्या दिया है ट्राइकस्पिड वॉल, एंड इट इज ओपनिंग प्रेजेंट बिटवीन द राइट एट्रियम एंड द राइट वेंट्रिकल. दिस हार्ट का साइड के जो राइट पार्ट होता है राइट एट्रियम एंड द राइट वेंट्रिकल, इट इज ओपनिंग बाय द this consist of the one opening, and this opening is called the tricuspid wall, whereas a bicuspid or a mitral wall guard the opening between the left atrium and the left ventricle. These are the left atrium and the left ventricle, and between these two one septa is present, and the septa consists of one opening, and this opening is guarded by the one wall which is called as mitral wall या फिर tricuspid wall, bicuspid wall. And we will see this heart figure This is the figure of the heart, and it is 4-chambered heart structure. This one is the right side and this one is the left side. This upper is the atria, and this is the right atria and this left atria. This one is the right ventricle and this one is the left ventricle. This right and the left atria is separated by a interatrial septum. Left and the right ventricle separated by the interventricle septum. Now the same side of the right atria and the right ventricle, it is also separated by the it is also separated by the aortic ventricle septum. Now this opening of the right and the left ventricle into the aorta and the pulmonary artery, किधर जाकर ओपन होगा वो? aorta and the pulmonary artery respectively. Right and left ventricle, it is opening into pulmonary artery and the aorta respectively. Now our next point is the valve of the heart. The valve of the heart in the heart allows flow of blood only in one direction. Complete flow of direction is only one, and from atria to the ventricle and from ventricle to the pulmonary artery or aorta. These valves prevent any backward flow, और ये prevent क्या करता है? वापस backward flow को prevent करता है, रोकता है. सिर्फ only one direction में flow होगा blood from atria to ventricle and from ventricle to pulmonary artery or the aorta. Now the entire heart is made up of cardiac muscles. Complete heart किससे बना हुआ होगा? Cardiac muscle से. The wall of the ventricles are much thicker than the wall of the atria. वेंट्रिकल्स के हार्ट कैसे वॉल्स कैसे होते हैं? थिक होते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू द walls of the atria. A specialized cardiac musculature called the nodal tissue. एक वन स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ द कार्डियक मसल्स प्रेजेंट होता है हार्ट में, विच इज़ कॉल्ड नोडल टिश्यू, एंड इट इज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द हार्ट. कंप्लीट हार्ट में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है, एंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज द नोडल टिश्यू. नाउ a patch of these tissue is present in the right upper corner of the right atrium called as the sinoatrial node. A patch of the tissue is present in the upper corner of the right atrium. एक पैच होता है किसका? नोडल टिश्यू का, which is present up the right upper corner of the right atrium, which is called as the sinoatrial node. And another mass of this tissue is seen in the left corner of the right atrium, and this is called as the atrioventricular septum, and is also called atrioventricular node. One type of the patch is present which is present at the upper part of the right atrium, and it's called as the sinoatrial node, is called SAN. And the another mass is also present which left corner of the right atrium, is called as the atrioventricular node. And a bundle of the nodal fibers, atrioventricular bundle, continues from the atrioventricular node, which passes through the atrioventricular septa to merge on the top of the ventricular septum and immediately divided into right and the left bundle. First of all, a special type of the muscular tissue is present, which is called as the nodal tissue, and nodal tissue present throughout the heart, and its one patch is present on the upper part of the right atrium, which is called as the sinoatrial node. See inside the figure, this is the complete patch of the nodal tissues are present throughout the heart, and one patch is present at the right artery of the right side, which is called as the sinoatrial node, and another patch is present at the left lower side of the right atrium, which is called as the atrioventricular node. Now this patch is passed into the interventricular septum. किधर जाकर पास होगा ये? interventricular septum में, and it is divided into left bundle and the it is divided into right bundle and the left bundle. Now next topic is it is divided into right and the left bundle. Now these branches give rise to minute fibers throughout the ventricular musculature of the respective sides and are called as the Purkinje fibers. Now these branches, left and right branches of the bundle, it's form the minute fiber, means small fibers hair like structure form करेगा throughout the ventricular musculars ऑफ द रिस्पेक्टिव साइड, मीन्स लेफ्ट साइड वाला जो बंडल रहेगा लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल में जाकर सारे के सारे माइन्यूट फाइबर्स फॉर्म करेगा और राइट वाला बंडल जाकर राइट वेंट्रिकल्स में माइन्यूट हेयर्स फॉर्म करेगा एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज दी पुरकिंजे फाइबर्स. नाउ the nodal musculature has ability to generate the action potential without any external stimuli. किसी बाहर के एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलाई के हेल्प के without any help of the external stimuli they have an ability to generate the action potential. means muscles जो होते हैं nodal muscular tissue क्या इसकी ability होती है without any external stimuli they own form the or own generate the potentials, and this ability is called as the auto excitable, means they get excitable selfly by without any external potential they get stimuli or auto excitable. However, the number of the action potential that could be generated in a minute वेरी एट डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ दी नोडल सिस्टम. मीन्स ये नोडल सिस्टम कैसा होता है, कंप्लीट हार्ट में होता है प्रेजेंट, और ये कैसे जनरेट करेगा इसका एक्शन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में डिफरेंट जनरेट होगा. ये मीन्स इसकी जो एक्टिविटी रहेगी ये डिफरेंट रहेगी टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडीज. दी SAN means sinoatrial node can generate the maximum number of the action potential. but जो पैच है नोडल टिश्यू का SAN means a sinoatrial node, ये कैसा करेगा, जनरेट करेगा मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ द एक्शन पोटेंशियल विच इज 70 to 75 per minute and is responsible for initiating and maintaining the rhythmic contractile activity of the heart. means heart कैसे rhythmic करेगा, contractile और the contract कैसे होगा, means कैसे धड़केगा वो. it is responsible for who responsible for the SAN. it is responsible for the maximum rhythmic contractile activity of the heart. SAN is the one patch which is present on the upper atrium portion, upper right side of the artery, and it is called as sinoatrial nodes, and it passes the 70 to 75 per minute number of the actions, and it help in maintaining the rhythmic contraction of the heart. therefore it is called as the pacemaker. और उसी SAN को यानी कि sinoatrial node को क्या बोलेंगे, pacemaker. it is important for the need purpose. and now our heart normally beats 70 to 75 times in a minute. कितने टाइम्स बीट होगा हमारा हार्ट, धड़केगा, इस नॉर्मली बीट्स इनटू 70 to 75 टाइम्स इन अ मिनट एंड एवरेज इज 72 बीट्स पर मिनट, और एवरेज टाइम कितना होगा 72 बीट्स पर मिनट. So guys, this is our which topic? This is our human circulatory system, complete part of the human circulatory system. If you have any problem for understanding, then please comment me on my comment section. Thank you.